can't believe you're doing this again. Go down the actual trail.
Yeah, that's so much nasty. More nasty.
No, it's not.
Yeah, I know. Jerk. Wait, you can't post it on Facebook.
Go.
Where's that alley? Exactly. Yeah, I cannot stop. One second.
Oh! I think so. Bent the crap out of your rack. Your rack is toast, dude. Oh, wait. You have a little bit of clearance right there. A little bit of clearance. Yeah. That works.